In this video, we are going to see how we can make a fully responsive website in just few minutes. So I will open my browser and search here for Tailblock. Now Tailblock is a pre-built HTML and Tailwind CSS blocks which you can use for making fully responsive website in just few minutes. Here you can see some templates. There are many number of templates, like for blog we have these templates. This is one, this is another one, then we have this. And as you can see here, all of these are fully responsive. This is for this view is for tablets, and this view is for your mobile phone. You can also change the theme here, and you can also change the colors. Okay, so today we are going to make an e-commerce website. For that, I have made a folder named ecom, and now I will create a file. First, my HTML file, that is index.html, and press enter, and then press exclamation mark and press enter. Now here I will give my e-commerce website a name. Let's suppose I give it cart it. Okay, this is my name of this is the name of my e-commerce website. For using the tail block, you need a CDN. Make sure you attach the CDN in the head tag. Okay, if you will not attach the CDN, then you can't use this tail blocks. Even if you copy paste these codes, but that will not show you the perfect output. So you will get that CDN in my description box to check it out. So I have already copied the CDN. I will just paste it here and press Alt plus Z so that this whole thing gets wrapped up in a single screen. Now I will just choose my favorite template and paste it here, paste the code here in my index.html file. First, I will create a navigation bar. For that, I will just go here, search here for navigation. We have different sections here like blog, contact, content, and then here I have the header section. These are the navigation bar. You can choose, and you can see it how it looks in your mobile phone, in your tablet, and accordingly you can choose as per your choice. So I will choose this, or I will choose this one. It looks best in the mobile phone, and I will choose a darker theme. And then I will click on view code and then click on copy to clipboard. After copying it, I will move on to my file, index.html file, and just paste it here. Okay, and if you want to change anything, you can change it here. Like first I will show you this how it's looking. I will just click on my live server. As you can see here, this is my website. It's looking like this. As you can see here, it's written tail blocks, first link, second link, third link, and fourth link. I can change it in my index.html file. So here in case of tail blocks, I will write it as cart it. First I have to search. First let's change these links. I will name this link as home, and then the second one fashion. Then here I will write art, and here profile, and here in keep it fashion only. You can change this accordingly according to your choice. Here I will write cart it. Then I will change this button to login. Okay, and now move on to my website and see how it's looking. As you can see here, it's cart it, and the links have been changed here also. Now I will select another template. For next part I will do I want some let's suppose I want this one, or this one. I will keep it at the last, at the end of the website. Before that, let's see, we have something. I think I can place this as the most selling product. Okay, or something else. Let's see, we have something else or not. I can also place this. I think this will look better, so I'm just going to copy this code, and here I will choose the theme as this light theme. Just copy this code and move on to my file. First let's minimize this one, and then I'm giving some comments like second section. Okay, then I will paste this code, and after pasting this code, let's move on to my website and see how it's looking. As you can see this, here I will change all this accordingly. Here I can write the most selling products and give a little description about that. And here I can also place some pictures. I will show you one, rest you can do by yourself. Okay, so I will select one picture. Let's create a folder named asset. Okay, and I will keep all the assets in that folder. So I have already downloaded some of the pictures for this, and now I will just replace this. I will just click here, click change all occurrences, asset, and this one. Let me show you the output. As you can see here, I have changed this by a laptop's picture, and I can give it a name as laptop, and here I can give it a brand name or model name, whatever I like. You can customize it according to yourself. Like I will give it a brand name like I'm not sponsoring any brand, that's why I'm not giving the original name. Here you can give a brief description of your product, and after that I will leave it like this only and move on to the next section. Okay, let's minimize this, give it a comment, third section. Okay, and now let's check some more templates. Here they have specifically given some templates for e-commerce websites, like this one for e-commerce products, and this one particularly for a product. If you click on a product, it will redirect you. You can make another file in which if you click on any product, your user click on any product, they will be directed on this page. Okay, so first I will select this. I will copy this code and paste it into my file, and then I will simply just change one picture from here. Okay, okay, and now let me show you the output. As you can see here, I have changed this picture. Okay, now I want, have you noticed one thing, that I have not created any CSS file yet? As in Tailblock, you don't need to create any kind of CSS file. It's already pre-installed, pre-built in Tailblocks. It is using the Tailwind CSS. Okay, now at the end, I will give you a small footer. They also have some, or you can add more sections, like you can add a pricing section like subscription model. If you have on your e-commerce website, then you can add a pricing section, or you can just leave it as it is now and add a simple footer. They have 5 footer templates also. I will use this as I want to keep it simple, and I will choose it in the dark theme and copy this and paste it in my file and give a comment as footer. Okay, and after this footer section, I think I should add a pricing section also. Okay, in pricing section I will add let's search some templates for pricing. Here we have this one and this one. I will use this one and change the theme to light. Copy this and paste it into my file. Now let's check my website. As you can see, we have made a simple, fully responsive website. Let me show you it's responsive or not. So as you can see here, it's a fully responsive e-commerce website. We have just made it right now in just less than 5 minutes. Okay, in next video we will see how you can use this templates to make different kind of websites, like a portfolio website or many different kind of websites. Okay,